Hello, my name is Sandrina. Today I would like to present you about an invention. It is online transportation. This online transportation, usually called Gojek. This invention or Gojek was invented by Nadiem Makarim. This invention was from Indonesia and was invented in 2010. In January 2015, the Gojek app was launched for users in Indonesia. There are so many features in this app, such as GoRide and GoCar to take you anywhere, GoFood to order some food, GoSend to deliver something, etc. And now Gojek is leading technology group of platforms serving millions of users in Southeast Asia. In my opinion, Gojek is very helpful in everyday life. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation. Do you have any question?
Hi, my name is Adinda. Today I would like to present to you about an invention. It is e-money. Nowadays there are many types of payment tools. E-money in one of them. E-money or electronic money can help you in transaction because with this you don't have to bring a lot of paper or coin money in your wallet. You can use e-money every time and everywhere as long as the place provide e-money service. Besides, e-money can make it easier in transaction. Use e-money much more hygienic than use paper money. E-money can be a card like Innomart card, an e-toll, or an application on your handphone like OVO and GoPay. I think in the age that has been so sophisticated and practical today, changing paper or coin money to e-money is the right choice. I think that's all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention.
Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Aidil Maulana. Today I would like to present you about an invention. It is smartphone operating system, for example iOS and Android, but I will focus only on iOS. iOS was invented by Steve Jobs. It was invented in Steve Jobs' garage. iOS launched when 2007. The key feature that we can use is message and FaceTime, group notification, Siri shortcut, etc. The fact about the invention is iOS launched for the first time only for iPhone. In my opinion, this operating system is very good to use and easy to use. I think that's all about my presentation. Thank you.
Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Arini. Today I would like to present you about an invention. It is Wi-Fi. The inventor of Wi-Fi is John O'Sullivan, Thierry Percival, Dieter Ossetry, John Dean, and Graham Daniels. Wi-Fi was invented in USA. Wi-Fi found on August 1999. The main feature of this invention is high-capacity load balancing, indoor as well as outdoor coverage option. Mobile device management can provide control of how you will manage access to application and program. Easy to use. The configuration of device are very easy because it has network security, embedded system, and standard device. In my opinion, Wi-Fi is amazing invention because the invention can help us, and Wi-Fi have the speed of the internet very good. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation. Do you have any question?
Hi, my name is Ziva. Today I would like to present you about an invention. It is Microsoft. It was invented by Bill Gates and Paul Allen and be founded in 1975. It develops, manufactures, licenses, supports, and sells computer software, consumer electronics, personal computers, and related service. Key features of the program include the ability to enter and format text, the ability to save and print documents, compatibility with older versions of Word and other software, support for cloud or local use, and collaboration features. I think this invention is useful because without Microsoft, maybe we couldn't do anything. So I think that's all about my presentation. Thank you.
Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Hairunisa. Today I would like to present you about an invention. It is mini printer. Mini printer was invented by Johannes Gensflash zur Leyden zum Gutenberg. It was invented in 1450. The main picture of this invention is small printer that is used all cashier, cash register, and cashier computer. There are two technology used by this mini printer, terminal and dot matrix. Terminal printer that more expensive than dot matrix printer. In my opinion, using a mini printer save more space and can also choose a standard price that we can. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation. Okay, thank you.
Hi, my name is Nabila. Today I would like to present you about an invention. It is online transportation. There are many online transportation, for example, Gojek or Grab, but I will focus only on Grab. Grab was invented by Anthony Tan and Tan Hoi Ling. It was invented in Singapore and it was invented in 2012. There are many features of Grab, such as Grab Bike and Grab Car to take you anywhere, Grab Food to order food, etc. Grab is Southeast Asia's leading ride-hailing platform. Grab solve critical transportation challenge and make transport freedom a reality for 620 million people in Southeast Asia. The Grab app offers booking service for private cars and motorbikes in Singapore, Indonesia, Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam. In my opinion, Grab is very helpful in daily life. I think that's all. Thank you for your attention.
Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Vadila Sabrina. Today, I would like to present you about an invention. It is computer OS. There are many computer OS, for example, Microsoft, Mac OS, and etc. But I will focus only on Microsoft. Microsoft was invention by Bill Gates and Paul Allen. It was invention April 4, 1975. The main features of this invention is Windows Search Box, Task Manager, File Explorer, Microsoft Paint, Setting, Start Menu, Internet Browser, Event Viewer, and Notepad. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation. Thank you.